Good morning to one and all. How are you children? All are going good? Nice. All are studying tables, learning tables? Very good. So children, as you know, we are studying chapter number 4, understanding multiplication. In that we have completed 2 parts. This is the third part. Okay, in second part of this lesson, we learned about table of 2, how to build the table of 2. Then skip counting by 2 and multiplying by 2. In this part, we are going to study about multiplying by 5 and skip counting by 5. Okay, so children, let's move toward this. These are the picture of the branches of the trees. Okay, can you tell me how many leaves are there in each branch? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. These 5 leaves are forming a group. One group. Okay. Like this. This is also a group. Group of 5 leaves. This is also a group. Group of 5 leaves. Means how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 groups are there. Okay. Now we have to write repeated addition fact and multiplication fact. You know it very well. Okay. How to write repeated addition fact? As there are 5 leaves. So we will add 5 how many times? 3 times. So we will write 5 for this. Addition sign. 5 for this. Again plus 5 for this. This is called repeated addition. Now we have to write multiplication fact. You know it very well. While writing multiplication fact, we write group number first. How many groups? 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. Then which sign? Multiplication sign. How many leaves in each group? 5 leaves. 5. What will be the answer? 5 is a? Yes? 15. Now let's check our answer. Repeated addition fact and multiplication fact. Let's count. 5 plus 5. 10. 10 plus 5. 15. Yes, here also 15 and here also 15. Means our answer is right. Now we are moving towards skip counting by 5. Okay? Children, in skip counting by 2, what we did? We skipped one number and jump on the second number because we were doing skip counting by 2. Now here we are doing skip counting by 5. So what we will do? We will skip 4 number and jump on the 5th number. Okay? Let's see. If we are on 0, what we will do? We will count 4 numbers. Here we are, okay, on 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to skip 4 numbers and jump on the 5th number. Which is the 5th number? 5. So from 0 to 5. Okay, we will skip 4 number and jump on the 5th number. Then again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to 10. 5 to the 10. From 10 again count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we will count. 10 to 15. Then 15 to, where we will go? 5th number? 20. Then from 20 to 25. And from 25 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30. And from 30 to, can you tell? 35. From 35 to 40. Very good. So here we learned about skip counting by 5. Okay. Now we are going to move towards textbook. We will complete the exercises given in the textbook. Okay. Let's see.
Children, you have to open page number 62 of your maths textbook. Here, mental maths is given there. What we have to do? We have to write the doubles. What is meant by doubles, children? See, the numbers are given. 3, 6, 7, 4, 8, 1, 9, 2. What we have to do? We have to write the doubles of this number. while doing double, we can add the number again also, and we can do multiplication fact also. Means we have to multiply it by 2. If you multiply it by 2, then what will be the answer? 3 2s are 6. Okay, this is the answer. Then 6 is given. We have to write the double of 6. What will be the double of 6? 6 2s are, or 6 plus 6? 12. Then 7. 7 2s are 14. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. This is homework for you. 1 2s are 2. Okay, these are homework for you children. You have to do it. Next, see here a table is given like the table of 2 multiplying by 2. We have to solve it again like that only. Okay, here leaves are given, branches are given. Okay, in each branch how many leaves are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 leaves are there. How many groups are here? 1 2. So we will write 2 number of groups. How many groups? 3. How many groups? 1 2 3 4. 4. How many groups? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then leaves in a group. How many leaves are there in each group? 5. Here also 5. So we will write 5 here. Here also in each branch 5 are there. 5. Then leaves in all. How many leaves are there in all? They are asking in all means total leaves. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10. Here 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 5 15. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15 plus 5 20. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15 plus 5 20. 20 plus 5 25. 25 plus 5 30. Students, if you don't know how to add, you can directly count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 like this. Okay, here also you can add like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Like this you have to add this also. Okay, then you will get the answer. Then how you will write the repeated addition fact? How many groups? 2 groups. So how many times you will add 5? 2 times. Plus 5. 5 plus 5. Then here also how many times you will add 5? 3 groups. So 3 times. Here 4 times. And here 6 times. Okay. Then while writing multiplication fact, group number first. How many groups? 2 groups. How many leaves? 3 leaves. 2 into 5. Here 3 into 5. Here 4 into 5. Here 6 into 5. Understood children? Now move towards page number 63. In the video we learned about skip count by 5. So you can use color pencil also or simple pencil also. Okay, I use this pencil, simple pencil. We have to jump on every 5th number. So every 5th number means if we have to start from 5, then which will be the 5th number? 1 2 3 4 5. 10. Then from 10, which will be the 5th number? 1 2 3 4 5. 15. Then from 15, 20. Then from 20, 25. Then from 25 to 30. Then from 30 to 35. This is homework for you. You have to do it. Okay. Then this is homework for you. Write the numbers you have colored. Okay. When you will color the number, you have to write that number in these boxes. Then we have to make tables. Table of 5. So here, how many group? One group of 5 apple. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Okay. Complete this in your textbook. Next, come on page number 64. See bunny. Bunny wants to reach the grass. This is bunny, okay? This bunny wants to reach this grass. She jumps 5 numbers each time, okay? Means on 5th number. skipping by 5. Okay, this is the skip counting by 5. Okay, 5 steps she is taking. Okay, in one jump she is taking 5 steps. So how many jumps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jumps are there. 4 jumps of 5 steps each. So what will be the answer? 5 fours are 20. See, she is on 20 now. If she will take 4 jumps of 5 steps each, then on which number she will reach? She will reach on 20. Okay. Then how we will write the multiplication fact? How many jumps? 4 jumps. How many steps? 5 steps. 5 fours are 20. Okay. Next, exercise 4.3. Here again number line is given from 0 to 50. Okay. We have to, how many jumps are given? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 jumps. So here we will write 7 jumps of how many steps each? What is the difference? 5, 10, 15, 20. 5 difference is there na? Means 5 steps they are taking. So 5 steps of 7 jumps of 5 steps. Then you will write 7 into 5. 5 sevens are 35. This is the answer. See, you have to write here. Then next one. How many jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 jumps of 5 steps each. Then 5 fives are 25. See here, we are on 25. Yes, very good. Now these 2 examples are homework for you. You have to do it. Okay. So here we have completed skip counting by 5 with the number lines. Now you have to do this homework in the textbook. Okay, do practice at home. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.